I'm not doing anything.
If it was Martha, she would scratch his butt. Ah, so cute! Oh no, it's going away. Bye bye. I'm filming you filming the end. Yeah, it's damn hot, bro. But it's damn pretty. Yeah, it's damn nice, right? Wow, it's so like unique though. Look at it.
You're not her sister.
Hee now we're going to eat breakfast at 11.
And then she's gonna go home and eat lunch at 12.
Yeah, no.
So bad.
No? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah. Levi's. But I look ugly in it. Basket! Lol. Hello guys, I literally can't breathe right now because this bra is so constricting. But yes, this is the thrift haul, and I didn't get this from Salvation Army, but I got it from New to You. But I'm gonna show it to you anyways. So I don't know if it's actually Emporio Armani because my mother said that the tag on the shirt and it said it's made in China, so like that's very questionable. But okay, yes, very cute. It was $12 from New to You, and I got it during their sale. So okay, thrifted this like crochet like see-through vest thing, and I paired it with a black top and black jeans. So yeah, this is how I wear it out, and it's like very versatile, I feel like, because it's just like a very fun piece. And okay, and the next piece is this like silky material jacket, and it's like a 3/4 length sleeve. So I mean, it's kind of awkward, but then like when you look at it as a whole, it looks really good, like, doesn't it?
Nice.
Yeah, and then I would usually tie it like that, or I would just leave it, and then I would tuck this one in this. So it gives it a bit of like a dynamic. But yeah, or I could like button it up as well, and it would still look super cool. Yeah. Okay, and last but not least, we have this like same material, exact same material as the previous one. It's like silky and like flowy, and I would style this one like buttoned up because like I just really like the print, and it's like my favorite like item that I got. But this one is like a bit more of like a masculine, like if I style it like this, it looks more masculine. But I still like it and I think it's really nice. So yeah, that's all. Bye.